Harley Davidson is teaming up with Kymco to manufacture two new electric Maxi scooters for Harley's Livewire brand. Both scooters will be powered by Harley's S2 Aero powertrain, and both scooters should be available for purchase in the first half of 2026. The first scooter on the left looks like it was designed for road use only, but the other scooter has knobby tires, crash bars, and a rack on the back for hauling more stuff. Hopefully both scooters will come with a big under-seat storage compartment, but as of now that is unknown. If you're curious about the performance of these scooters, it might be similar to the S2 performance specifications of the Livewire S2 Mulholland electric motorcycle, which is shown here. For more information, you can find a link in the article in the description. I decided to use the cheap pump. I think I paid $19 for this. I found out that this piece doesn't do anything, so I can cut this off. Or at least that's what I was told. And I can make room. By cutting that off, I can fit this rubber piece back on the onto the new pump. I installed the fuel line to the gas tank. This fuel line leaks. I think I still have a slight leak with it. These fuel lines need to be replaced, but I'll do that some other time. Right now, I just want to get this new fuel pump on. These fuel lines are losing their flexibility, and it's not helping that it's kind of cool out. It's not real cold, but it's not warm either. And then I have a new fuel pump here, or not pump, but filter. I put some fuel in the tank. I don't know if I said that earlier in the video, but I put some fuel in the tank and the lines leak. I don't know how much fuel I lost, but I'm hoping there's still fuel in the tank. And this one goes here. That goes there, and this connects here. Another problem I encountered is the petcock on the gas tank doesn't completely shut off the fuel in the opposition. So that's why I had that crimped. But not going to worry about that right now. I've got the petcock turned on. Let's try and I'll turn the key on. See what happens. Should have a manual choke. Geez, that's taking a long time, isn't it? Let's see. Let me take off the air filter housing and spray some carb cleaner to see if this thing will turn over. I took the air filter housing off so we can get access to the carburetors, and I want to spray some carb cleaner into the carbs and see if we can get the engine to turn over. There is oil in the bike. And if you notice, I'm having trouble with the starter switch. I think just some contact cleaner will fix that. I don't have much of this carb cleaner left. Let's see what happens. Wow, there's a mouse nest coming out of the muffler, out of both mufflers. Good grief. I still think I need to pull these carburetors off and clean them, and I guess I'll do that next time. But before I end this video, I'll show you what came out of the exhaust. This is what shot out of the exhaust pipes, both of them. Just this old mouse crap. And right out of there on both sides, both pipes. Let's start it one more time and see what happens. Well, when I first started it, I could smell old fuel. I think it was the smell was coming from these carburetors. And this bike only has 9,000 miles on it, so the engine sounded okay, and I think it's leaking fuel from the carburetors as well. So, still some work to be done. Anyway, thanks for watching.